Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and this video is gonna be a video about the basic tutorial for editing video with the CapCut, and I would like to show you the way how to cut the video clip durations on CapCut by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your CapCut project, and here I already prepared to you a video that containing a lot of clip. So this is the first clip. They will have like 8-second duration, and for the second one I think it's more than 10 seconds, the third clip, the fourth, and the fifth. So I already got a lot of clip right here, so I will let you make them short, like half the same duration in the short seconds. So the thing that we need to do is just go focus on these straight lines. So this straight line is helping you to choose the positions or the durations that you want to split. So let's say here I want to make every clip on this project only run for 3 seconds. So you need to take a look on these on these straight lines and this time. So this is already 3 seconds. You need to click the clip, and after that go click split and delete for the rest. You can also do for the second clip, you just need to add the 3 seconds more. So we will end at 6 seconds right here, and do the same, just go click the clip, go click split and delete for the rest. It will be the same for the next clip. Go add 3 more seconds, go click the clip, click split and delete. Let's do for 2 more. So add 3 more seconds, which is we will stop at 12 seconds. Go click split and delete. This is the last clip, guys. We will stop in the 15 seconds. Go click the clip, go click split and delete. So here is the result. After 3 seconds, the video will be changed into another clip. So that is the way how to cut the video clip on a CapCut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you for the next video.